Dear students, in class 1 there are so many students which are completing their work, even also they have submitted their notebooks and books for checking. And you know, in the class 2, no one is, some students, only 6 to 7 students only check their notebooks and books from the school. So why it is happening? आप लोगों को स्टडीज करने में मजा नहीं आता? सारे टीचर्स आपको इतने मेहनत से स्टडीज करवाते हैं, आप घर बैठे बैठे अपनी नोटबुक्स और बुक्स कंप्लीट करते हैं. सो टेल योर पेरेंट्स टू गिव नोटबुक्स एंड बुक्स फॉर चेकिंग इन द स्कूल. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, yesterday we have started our chapter that is called houses and houses. Now then we have learned about that there are two types of different houses. First one is kacha house and second one is pakka house. First of all, what is kacha house? So kacha houses are not very strong. They are made up of mud, straw, leaves, bamboo and stones. So they are found in the villages. They are easy to build and cost very less. So we have learned yesterday about the kacha houses. Kacha houses are those houses which are built for a temporary reason. Okay, permanently नहीं बनते हैं क्योंकि कच्चा houses जो होते हैं वो काफी strong नहीं होते हैं. So we have seen so many different types of kacha houses yesterday in the page number 2929. So all of you open this. Yesterday we have seen hut, igloo, caravan, tent and houseboat. These are the different types of kacha houses. After that we have done one activity which is given on page number 3030. I hope you all have completed your activity. What you have to do in this, you have to see the picture and write the correct name. So in the first picture you can see this is a house of tent. So here we have to write T-E-N-T, tent. After that, the second picture is about igloo. So we have to write the spelling of igloo, that is I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Then there is houseboat in the third picture. So we have to write H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T, boat, houseboat. And the last one, that is caravan. So here we have to write C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. So in this way we have completed this activity yesterday. So now what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the pakka house. P-U-C-C-A, pakka houses. Okay. So now we are going to learn about pakka houses. Kacha houses we have already learned. Okay. Now we are going to learn about pakka houses. Let's read out the paragraph first. पक्का हाउसेस आर परमानेंट हाउसेस. परमानेंट मतलब जो हमेशा के लिए बनाया जाता है. इन फाउंड इन टाउन, सिटीज एंड इवन विलेजेस. आजकल विलेजेस में भी पक्का हाउसेस बनने लगे हैं. हमारी सिटीज और टाउन में तो पक्का हाउसेस रहते ही हैं. किसी का छोटा रहता है, किसी का बड़ा रहता है. ओके, किसी का ऊपर रहता है, किसी का नीचे रहता है. सो जो ऊपर और नीचे वाले जो हाउसेस रहते हैं that are called flats, and only one single house if it is too big, and a big house that is called a bungalow. Okay, so they build with, अब ये किस किस चीजों से बनाए जाते हैं? They build with bricks. Bricks मतलब होते हैं ईंटे. They build with cement. Cement मतलब वो जो ग्रे कलर का एक मटेरियल आता है that is called cement. Then stone. Stone मतलब पत्थर. Okay. After that wood, iron and steel. Wood, then iron. Iron मतलब लोहा and steel. So these are the items which we use for making pakka houses. And what are the items of kacha houses? That is mud, straw, dry leaves and bamboo sticks. Okay, so ये चार जो चीजें रहती हैं वो कच्चा houses बनाने में help करती है. Which are not permanent houses. They are very not strong, but they are always strong because they are made up of brick, cement, stone, wood, iron and steel. These are the strong items, materials. They are strong houses and expensive to build. ये पक्का हाउस बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा खर्चा होता है ना. Your mother and father they can tell you. So there are types of different pakka houses. So as I have told you, so these are the materials. Okay, अब हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे types of pakka houses are given below. The first one is you can see a bungalow. मैंने बताया था अगर सिंगल घर बना हुआ है जिसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं रहता, मतलब एक सिंगल घर बना रहता है जिसमें वन फैमिली टुगेदर रहते हैं, तो दे आर कॉल्ड बंगलो. The large bungalows are large houses with a lawn in the front and many rooms. So bungalow कौन सा house रहता है which has many rooms and lawn in the houses. Lawn मतलब आंगन. Okay, in Hindi we say आंगन. So they can be single story or double story. Okay, double story का मतलब होता है जो एक के ऊपर एक जो फ्लोर बने हुए रहते हैं, that is called story. Okay, so after that we have the second part of the pakka house, that is called apartments. These are also called flats. Okay, flat भी बोला जाता है और apartments भी. Apartments are the houses built one over the other in big cities. बड़ी बड़ी cities में आप देखोगे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी buildings बनाई जाती है. तो that is एक घर जो different types of families lives in a single building. एक ही building में अलग अलग families रहती हैं एक के ऊपर एक. So एक के ऊपर एक जो families रहती हैं that are called the flats. Okay, and apartments. They are multi-storied buildings, है ना. उनके जो stores रहते हैं यानी कि जो उनके फ्लोर्स रहते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, सो वो मल्टी स्टोरी रहते हैं, मल्टीपल्स रहते हैं, या तो 3 या 4, 5, 6, इवन ऑल्सो सम मोर फ्लैट्स आर देयर. सो वी कैन go in these building by the help of lifts to the people from one floor to other. और ऐसे घरों में लिफ्ट लगाई जाती है ताकि हम वन फ्लैट टू अनदर फ्लैट यानी वन फ्लोर से लेके दूसरे फ्लोर तक के हम थ्रू द लिफ्ट जा सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हैव सीन 2 different types of pakka houses. The first one is bungalow. Okay, and the second one is apartments. Apartments are also called flats. Okay, so bungalows are very large houses with a lawn. Lawn मतलब आंगन. So in the front and many rooms also there in the bungalow. Then we have seen apartments. Apartments are the houses built over and over the other. यानी एक के ऊपर एक जो घर बने हुए रहते हैं that are called apartments, and it is also called flats. I hope you have understood about these 2 different types of pakka houses. After that, parts of a house. You know, in our house there are so many different parts. है ना, हमारे जैसे बॉडी के पार्ट्स होते हैं वैसे हमारे हाउसेस के भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं. So there are walls on the side, there are doors and windows in the to let in fresh air and sunlight in the house. They let out the stale air. So okay, so in this way we have different parts in our houses. यानी कुछ साइड से हमारी दीवारें बनी रहती है, वॉल्स बनी रहती हैं, कुछ साइड से विंडोज बनी रहती है जिसके थ्रू फ्रेश एयर अंदर आती है और स्टेल एयर, स्टेल मतलब बासी एयर बाहर जाती है. सो इन दिस वे विंडोज ऑल्सो हेल्प अस to let in fresh air. Okay, after that we have so many different rooms in our houses, है ना. We have so many different rooms in our houses. So we have mainly 6 rooms in our houses. The first one is bedroom. Bedroom कहाँ होता है? Bedroom is there where the bed is keep and we go to sleep there. जहाँ हम सोने जाते हैं that is called bedroom. Second one is if we have to bath, so we go to the bathroom. हम नहाने कहाँ जाते हैं? We go to the bathroom. Mama cooks delicious food for us. Mama हमारे लिए delicious खाना बनाती है. So वो कहाँ बनाती है? In the kitchen. So after that, if we want to eat that delicious food, अगर हमें वही खाना delicious हमें खाना है तो कहाँ बैठ के हम लोग खाना खाते हैं? In the dining room. And we meet people in the drawing room. Even अगर हमारे घर में कोई बाहर से कोई मेहमान आते हैं, so we entertain them in our drawing room. Drawing room is also called hall, है ना? In a simple language we call it hall. हॉल में सोफा रखा जाता है जिसमें हम अपने गेस्ट को, पीपल को एंटरटेन करते हैं. सो that room is called drawing room. So these are the different. Some houses have a study room also where the children go to study. Okay, so in this way we have different parts in our houses, and even also we have learned about pakka houses. So pakka houses are made up by bricks, cement, stone, wood, iron and steel. So these are the materials which used for making pakka houses. So there are two different types of pakka houses. The first one is bungalows and the second one is apartments. Apartments are also called flats. Bungalows are one single story or double story, a big large house, and apartments are the houses which build one over the other. Okay, एक के ऊपर एक जो houses बने होते हैं, that is called apartments. So here then we have seen different parts of our houses. Some parts has walls, some parts is windows and doors, and even also we have seen today different rooms in our houses. So dear students, I hope you all have understood about this pakka houses, and yesterday we have learnt about kacha houses. Now tomorrow we are going to do a good house, है ना? Then एक अच्छा घर कैसे बनता है वो मैं आपको कल बताऊंगी. Okay, so today we have learned different types of houses, that is pakka house and kacha house. So tomorrow we will meet again and continue our topic. So after before that, what you have to do, you have to read the points of a good house. Okay, ये good house के points दिए हुए हैं on the page number 31. So your homework is you have to read it out. Okay, आपको सिर्फ ये पढ़ के रखने हैं. Tomorrow I will explain you one by one. So here we have completed today's topic. So tomorrow we will continue it. So bye dear students, take care, have a nice day, and in your homework you have to read the points of a good house. So bye.